Hi, this is Tiffany with Extra Mile Travel, and today I'm going to give you a tour of the Secrets Vallarta Bay Preferred Club Ocean View Junior Suite. Here's the closet, and it has a safe, which is very helpful. Has robes and extra blankets, and it also has slippers, a queen size bed, which is very nice with a ceiling fan, it has ice buckets, it has a DVD player, it looks like. That's kind of old school. It has snacks, M&Ms, Pringles, water, and then it has a little refrigerator with water and soda and Coronas. So that's a nice touch. There's something for everyone. There's a little sitting area over here. A little chair. And I'll take you outside to give you a view. And there's also a private jacuzzi for two, which is a nice touch. Here's the view. Very beautiful. It's a little warm out, but nothing a pool and a drink can't cure. And next, I'll give you a tour of the bathroom. And that's a nice tub and double sinks. Very nice. And I'll show you the walk-in shower, which has the nice waterfall shower experience, which I've had before at the Secrets in Los Cabos and also in Dreams. Here's the bathroom. If you have any questions about this resort, please don't hesitate to contact Tiffany at extra-mile-travel.com. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.